Is this thing even turned on? Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. As you can probably tell, I'm not really used to talking to a camera, but everyone has to start somewhere. So there have been some changes in the past year and a half. I sold my old bike, I moved to the UK, and I bought a new bike. It's a Sportster Iron 883. And I also bought some parts, which I'm gonna do like POV tutorials on how to install them. Maybe it's gonna help out. I don't know. All I can hope is that the videos don't turn out too weird for you to watch. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so these are the things I gathered till now. I have shocks, LED headlights, handlebars, risers, grips, fairings. Also have the fairing mounts, new brake lines, brake fluid. I have to change the brake lines because they're too short. The only issue is that due to the lockdown I won't be able to do like a review and how much it changed the bike, but hopefully when the lockdown is gone I'll be able to do a proper one with all the changes. Here's the bike. The best course of action would be to remove the fluid from the master cylinder. Try to remove the line, but without unplugging those two lines from the ABS unit. And try to avoid letting too much air in there, otherwise I'll have to go to the dealership so they can reset the ABS module solenoids. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna use this little pump to try and get out as much fluid as I can. Hopefully it works. It's not too bad. I also got a bucket of water. If it spills on the paint, I can just quickly wash it out so it doesn't damage it. Okay, now. Try and do this bit. Washer. Another one, and then just bolt it up. Okay. Also gonna tighten this one. I'll take a little 10mm wrench, and I'm just gonna try and swap those ABS lines as fast as possible. Again, I don't introduce any air to the system. Oh, it's actually 11. Where is it? 12. Oh, this one is 12. This one is 10. Oops. Okay. Okay. There's that. Okay. Tighten up those two little things. Tighten up the other one. Okay, so this is gonna be an imperial wrench. I don't have imperials, so I'll just use an adjustable one. That's perfect. I'm gonna go again to those, to the caliper and master cylinder bolt, just to be sure they are tight. Okay, that's perfect. And now what's left to do is just bleed the brakes. I'm gonna have to find a small wrench. Which is perfect. Okay. Okay. Take some of your brake fluid. What I usually like to do is make two little holes. One at the top, one at the bottom. So now when you pour the brake fluid, it's gonna go real nice. Gonna build up pressure, release it, pull it down, tighten up. At the top, a little bit more. Build up the pressure and release it. Okay, so now everything has been bled out. The air is out, so all that's left is to put everything back together. But I won't be able to test it, so yeah. Just gonna put a little bit more fluid in. Just to be sure everything is level. I'm gonna tighten it down, wash everything so the paint doesn't get damaged from the brake fluid. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now that this has been taken care of, the brake line is changed. Now I have plenty of slack to put some taller bars. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back, change the riser, change the handlebar, and hopefully it's gonna turn out awesome. Thanks for watching. See you next time.